Hello friend, my name is Avinash. Today I am going to talk about the power of appreciation. Once William James said that the biggest principle in human nature is craving to be appreciated. What do we understand from this statement? That we all love to be appreciated. But there is a condition guys, that appreciation should be sincere, not flattery one. Because flattery one appreciation is not sincere, it is insincere. So there is a question guys, if we all love to be appreciated, if we love to be appreciated, why don't we do the same when it comes to appreciate others? Why we always look for the negative points first and ignore the positive points? Because we accept us despite of many negative points. Then why don't we accept others with their negative points and appreciate their positive? Why not, friend? When we appreciate others from heart, they will feel good about themselves and they will feel good about us and they will instantly like us. So guys, we can't even measure the power of appreciation, what it can do or what it cannot do for someone. Imagine if someone is having a bad day, everyone is criticizing him, everything is going in a wrong direction for him, and at the end of the day you appreciate him. What do you think? Your appreciation is not enough to make him smile again? Because sometimes we need only one appreciation to come out from the situation, from the problem we are currently facing. Yes, that's true. Sometimes we need only one appreciation to continue or pursue our dreams, to follow our passion. Only one appreciation. We live in a society where many person loves to do criticize others. They don't even know what their criticism can do or cannot do for someone. We read newspaper daily and there are many cases of committing suicide on daily basis. In many cases this is because mental pressure. Yes, mental pressure. Because of one appreciation we can save someone's life. We can stop someone to commit suicide. That is the real power of appreciation, guys. Guys, do one thing from today. Make it a habit. And always appreciate others. Whenever you get a chance, always appreciate others sincerely. And it will make a difference. Yes, this is true. It will make a difference. Thank you guys for listening me. And if you like this video, please press subscribe button and press bell icon also. Thank you guys.